Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we're still on the Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, and speculations continue to rage on about his position. This time the comments are coming from Fani-Kayode. So with that guys, I bring you this. Osinbajo is on his way out of the villa. 3 names have been shortlisted as his possible replacement. And this is Fani-Kayode saying this. Osinbajo on his way out of the villa. 3 names have been shortlisted as his possible replacement. So now let's see what Femi has to say. This is on his Twitter handle, by the way. Fani-Kayode has claimed that Vice President Yemi Osinbajo is on his way out of the Buhari-led government, and 3 names have been shortlisted as his replacement. So let's go to the Twitter itself. Despite also, this is his Twitter handle now, at Fani-Kayode. Despite all his begging and lobbying, I have it on good authority that at Professor Osinbajo is still on his way out. 3 names have been shortlisted as possible replacements. Yemi is as good as gone. He should just pray for a peaceful and scandal-free exit. That is the best he will get. So this is the short and to the point tweet that Fani-Kayode has put out. Now, Fani-Kayode, of course, is a prominent politician, a well-known politician, a chieftain of the last party, a member of the Obasanjo administration, and a connected person within the Nigerian state. So if you're saying he has it on good authority, then you must pay some attention to that. But then, of course, Fani-Kayode is a critic of this particular government. It especially has a disdain and distaste for this particular government. So really, you have to put his comment in that context as well. But whatever it is, and however you choose to believe Fani-Kayode or not, the speculations around Yemi Osinbajo are not going away, because people are absolutely convinced that they are out to get this guy out of the villa. And here we have again another prominent voice lending credence to that. Conversations in the comment section. What do you think about the goings on in the lives and times of the Vice President of Nigeria? But before you come leave your comments, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of what is going on Yemi Osinbajo's life in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join me in the comment section. But here I say peace.